Hello everyone, it's me Shanti and you're watching Biology Nowadays. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter-wise weightage of biology chapters for NEET exam. This video is really important for NEET aspirants because this will help you to prioritize high weightage chapters while preparing for the exam. In this way, you can study smarter and not harder. So, now let's deep dive into the topic. This table is based on the analysis of last 5 years of NEET question papers. In the first column, you can see the name of the chapters. In the second column, I have given the approximate number of questions asked per year for NEET from each chapter. Lastly, in the third column, approximate weightage of each chapter is given. Here, I have arranged the botany chapters in the decreasing order of weightage so that it's easy for you to understand which chapters carry high weightage and which chapters carry low weightage for the NEET exam. As you can see here, 3 chapters in botany, that is molecular basis of inheritance, principles of inheritance and variation, and then cell cycle and cell division are of very high weightage. Out of 45 questions in botany, most number of questions, that is nearly a total of 15 to 18 questions, are asked just from these 3 chapters. So whenever you start to learn botany for NEET, learn these chapters first. Learn these chapters line by line from the NCERT textbook. You can choose your most productive time of the day to learn these chapters. For most students, it is the early morning time. When you finish these 3 chapters, then move on to the next 10 chapters, which are still important for NEET. After that, move on to the last 4 chapters given at the bottom of this table. These chapters are not that important for NEET exam. But in NEET exam, there are no optional questions. All questions are compulsory. Because of this, you cannot neglect these chapters if you wish to score high marks. So, now I think you got a very good idea on how to learn the botany chapters for NEET exam. Now we will move on to the zoology chapters. This table is also based on the analysis of last 5 years of NEET question papers. I have arranged the zoology chapters in the decreasing order of weightage so that it's easy for you to understand which chapters are of high weightage and which chapters are of low weightage for the NEET exam. As you can see here, 4 chapters in zoology, that is biotechnology principles and processes, animal kingdom, biomolecules, and structural organization in animals are of very high weightage. Out of 45 questions in zoology, most number of questions, that is nearly a total of 20 questions, are asked just from these 4 chapters. So when you start to learn zoology for NEET exam, learn these chapters first. Learn them line by line from the NCERT textbook. Choose your most productive time of the day to learn these chapters. When you finish these chapters, move on to the next 7 chapters which are still important for NEET. After that, move on to the last 4 chapters given at the bottom of this table. Even though these chapters are not that important for NEET exam, you cannot neglect them if you want to score good marks in NEET. That's all about zoology chapters. Now we know how to study smarter for NEET exam, right? Let's start your dream NEET journey right now. Be confident, believe in yourself, and you can do it. Okay? If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more biology videos. Thank you for being with me and stay tuned.